Hello, welcome to Geeta's Maths class. In the last class, you have learnt what is a perfect square, how to find whether the given number is a perfect square or not, and the squares of 10 natural numbers, and some properties of perfect squares you have learnt. And today you are going to learn about some more properties of perfect squares. Squares of even numbers are always even. You see, squares of even numbers are always even, and the squares of odd numbers are always odd, and squares of odd numbers are always odd. Let us find that from this. You see, here 1 is odd number, 1 square is 1. 3 is odd number, 3 square is 9, odd number. 5 is odd number, 5 square 25, 5 is odd, 25 is odd number. 7 is odd number, 49 is odd number. Same way 2 is even, 2 square is 4. 8 is even, 8 square is 64. 10 is even, 10 square is 100. That is what? Squares of even numbers are always even, and squares of odd numbers are always odd. Then, the square of a number is equal to the sum of the square of a number n is equal to the sum of the first n odd numbers. What does it mean? Let us take n as 5. Square, you know that 5 square is 25. Okay? Square of a number n means 5 is equal to the sum of the first n odd numbers. That means let us find the sum of first 5 odd numbers. The first 5 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let us add and see. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. Plus 1, 25. Let us see 3 square. You know that 3 square is 9. That means the sum of first 3 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9 or not? So, the square of a natural number n is equal to the sum of its first n odd numbers. Very nice. Is it not good? Then, next property is they are the difference between the difference of two consecutive natural numbers, the difference of two consecutive numbers is equal to the sum of the numbers. What is that? Suppose 3 square consecutive numbers, 2 and 3 let us take. 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5 or not? Clear? Any number you can take. 7 square and 6 square let us take. 7 square minus 6 square. 7 square is 49, 6 square is 36. You will have 13. 7 plus 6 is 13 or not? So, the difference of the squares of two consecutive numbers is equal to the sum of the numbers. Sorry here. Okay. And some more properties. Let me explain you. A perfect square, when it is divided by 3, always we get 0 or 1 as remainder. Okay? Forever. Fifth property. When a perfect square is divided by 3, it leaves 0 or 1 as remainder. Any perfect square you take and divide by 3, you will get 0 or 3 as remainder. You see 1 divided by 3. If you divide 1 by 3, you will get 1 remainder. Let me take 25. Divide 25 by 3. 3 8 is 24. 1 remainder. Let us divide 81. 81, if you divide by 3, what will you get? 3 2 is 6, 2 1. 3 7 is 21. So any perfect square, if you divide by 3, you get either 0 or 1 as remainder. Again, one more. Between any two squares of consecutive numbers, there are between any two squares of consecutive numbers, let us take the numbers are n and n plus 1, n and n plus 1. There are 2n natural numbers, 2n numbers. If I say n plus 1, you may not understand. Let me explain you. Let me take 5 square and 2 square and 3 square. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. N is 2. Here I have taken n as 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. There are 2n numbers. 2n means 2 2s are 4. 4, 9. What are the numbers in between? 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes or no? So n is 2. 2n means 2 into 2. These are 4 or not? So between 2 square and 3 square, there are 4 numbers. That means 2n. If n is 3, 3 and 4 square, if you see 3 square and 4 square, you will get 4 square is 16. 3 square is 9. 16 minus 9 will be 7. In between, you will get 7. That is not 3 square and 4. 2 3 is 6. 6 numbers you are going to get. Let us take n as 3. 3 square is 9. N plus 1 is 4. 4 square is 16. So, as per this property, in between 9 and 16, there are 2n number of numbers. 2n means 2 3 is 6. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 6 numbers or not? 2 3 is 6. Yes or no? Okay. And only one more property left out, that is, what are Pythagorean triplets? What is Pythagorean triplets? Okay. Squares and perfect squares, and children always try to remember at least the squares of 1 to 20 natural numbers. Okay. Five, six, seven. 3 numbers A, B, C form a Pythagorean triplets plus b square is equal to c square. Okay. Let me give you one example. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So we know that 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16 is equal to 5 square. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 or not? Yes or no? Therefore, 3, 4, 5 are said to be Pythagorean triplets. Okay? So, in this squares, you have learned the properties of squares. Okay? These properties of squares, if you know, if you understand, it will be very easy for you to find how many numbers are there in between them, and it will be very useful for you when solving the sums. Okay? I believe you understood the lesson. Please go through the lesson chapter well and make the concept clear always. Thank you.